I'm making big pancakes today. We're gonna see if it works. So 2 cups of dry mix. This is the new cooking video, by the way. Okay. Yeah. Overdid it a little bit, but it'll be fine. Okay. We just need water. How much? 1.5 cup. Okay. Give me just a minute. Yeah, so we put the water in the thing, and now since we're cool, we use forks instead of whisks. So this is gonna take a minute. And alright, it's chunky, which means I didn't stir it all the way. I have the pan heating up here. I'm not gonna stir it anymore. Screw that. We're gonna bust out the butter. Grody. And find a spatula. Which should have been the first thing that I did. But oh yeah, we have a metal one, but it's a bad idea to use these. Because it scratches up the pan. So instead, we're gonna take one from this old egg pan here, and we're just gonna clean it up. Okay, it's not fully clean, but give me just a sec. Okay, so spatula has like a very melted tip to it, and it's like chipping off a little bit because I've melted it on this thing so many times from just making pancakes the way I'm doing right now. Yeah, we gotta butter this baby. And when the butter browns, it's okay, even though it's gonna make it taste absolutely disgustingly horrible. It'll be fine. You might just wanna use it. There we go. Alright, and then you just... This is not a tutorial, but could be. Alright, now we put the big pancake. Oh yeah. I'm not going to be able to flip this over, I just realized. Like, this is never, ever coming off the pan without it making a huge mess all over the floor. So, I'm not gonna do that pan trick where you just, you know, where you flip it. It's bad. We could crush some EL fudge onto it. That's kind of bad. Now we wait, I think. Should be fine. We're gonna turn the exhaust on since it smells awful. Okay, it looks like for some reason I think I heated it up too much. Yeah, definitely. Yep, it's already cooked on the underside. Holy okay, that did not work. But it did cook on one side. I mean, I'll give myself that. But we need to flip it over again and then cook this side, which is not going to be fun. So I'm gonna grab a big plate, put it right here. Oh my god, this is so awful. It's more like a shape than a pancake. You know, I question my life when I make these decisions. It just throws everything that I actually want to happen out onto the floor. So I might private this video actually because my parents watch this and I'm like 14. About to be 15 actually. I'm gonna graduate from pull-ups and be a big boy finally. Oh god. Okay. I think it's burnt. It's burnt a little bit. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna smash it down, squeeze it, Get the pan back over there. I'll probably just bleep myself out since I'm like gonna send this onto like Mega.nz or something, so I can edit it. Look at that big pancake. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way. Look at that big, luscious pancake. I really don't want to eat that, because it's so bad. We're gonna put some more butter on there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. Oh. That's why we have the spatula, everybody. Remember to use a spatula. Okay, we're not gonna make as big a pancake this time, but just a decently sized one, probably. No, you know what? We're just gonna use the rest of the batter. 2 big pancakes. Perfect for me. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna get the rest of that out. You guys ever had like those hotcakes from McDonald's? They're delicious, but they taste so powdery. Also, the McDonald's hash browns, delicious. You cannot change my mind. Love them. Screw the sausages though. It tastes like. I think. I don't want to try it, so I'm just gonna. We're gonna look at the something. We're gonna start the bread. Butternut made with whole grain white, special recipe. What's the recipe? Who knows? It's probably just something. Can I touch this? Yeah, it's not hot. Okay, that means we can. Okay. I'm just gonna wipe that off. Okay, I think the pancake, yeah, it's looking pretty hefty. God, okay. Chef Keys. Beauteous. Canola oil. We could have used this big thing, but it takes years to heat up, so we're not gonna do that. There's like these cabinets up here. What are these? Oh, it's cheesecloth. I didn't even know we had that. Kitchen toy. Okay, we should probably squish down this pancake a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So after that, look at how meaty that is. Wham! We're gonna take a minute to clean all this up. When I get back to you, it'll be clean in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that transition wasn't as clean as I thought it would be. I just realized that when my parents get home, they're gonna be like, "Oh, Jack, what did you do while we were out for 7 hours?" Yeah, I made big pancakes. I think we should slap some Pearl Milling Company original syrup onto it. I thought we had that like Miss Buttersworth stuff. I guess not. They're probably a little big to like be poured syrup on. So we can turn this off. Oh wait. The exhaust and the lights. Okay. Yeah. These are so bad. Okay. Well, thanks. I made big pancakes. It's right outside. See y'all later.